Jed's mad at me.
Not mad.
Jed's... alam niyo ba kung bakit?
Dr. Huffman, di ba?
Sabi ko kasi, ano ba sinabi ko kanina?
Sabi mo, Dr. Huffman.
Ano about sa PT student? Sabi ko kasi, parang mostly,
I was...
yung mga PT students matatangkad. Tapos sabi niya, gusto niya mag-PT. Ay, gusto niya ng matangkad. Maging matangkad. Right, honey, pa sugar pa.
Anyway. Go, punta mo.
Tapos sabi ko, dahil pala sa PT ako naghanap. I'm just joking.
Ganda ka pala magsuyo. Ganda ka pala magsuyo. Di ba guys, sabi ni Caitlyn, joke lang. Sabi niya kagabi, jokes are half men. Sabi niya jokes are half men daw. So you partly want to look for someone na...
No.
Jokes are half men.
Ayoko ng PT. Gusto ko nursing. Gusto ko yung katabi ko. I want nursing nga eh. I want you to talk. I want you to die as well. Hatlo.
Anong kalangkan dyan sa PT?
Wala. Ayoko ng PT. I'm sorry. I love you.
Jokes are half men, di ba?
Hindi. Yeah, pero for you, like, sa'yo, jokes are half meant, pero sa akin yung mga jokes ko.
What is the double standard?
I'm sorry.
I know.
Huwag kang ganyan.
What?
Huwag kang ganyan.
Like what?
Tahimik mo.
I'm not. I'm talking to you.
Something's bothering you, no?
Yeah.
What?
I'm not tall enough.
No. You're tall.
No? Kasi, if I was tall enough, we wouldn't make that joke, di ba?
Really? Andiyan na ba tayo sa ganong level? Nasa seryoso? Hindi, seryoso ako. Not like that guy. Just joking. Mapakasar ako sa ako. Maniwala ka sa akin. Pero hindi kita magpabalik sa PT. At saka, hindi naman nagmamatter yung height ng isang tao. Sa iba, nagmamatter siya. Pero for me, nagmamatter din. Ayoko na talaga, hindi ako magseryoso. Hindi. Listen. Remember the day na like first time natin nagkita? Di ba sinabi ko sa'yo, matangkad ka pala, no?
Kala mo, pagka ka ba?
Hindi, it's not like that. Pero like, hindi tayo parang ka-level lang yung height or at least 2 inches yung taas mo kaysa sa akin.
Siguro kung PT, mga...
Stop talking about the PT. Wala akong paki sa PT na yan. Ga!
1 foot higher. Hindi mo nga tao sa PT.
Ga!
6'3" ata.
Bahala ka sa buwan, no?
6'3". Ay, dapat kay Gab ka na lang pala.
So ganun. Nagtatabuyan mo na ako.
6'3" siya.
Sabi nagtatabuyan mo na nga ako. Pinamimigay mo na ako sa iba.
Guys, what's pinagtatabi?
Pinamimigay mo na ako sa iba. Okay. Mas gusto mo sa PT na ako.
Why are you manipulating me to make my phone?
Oh my God.
Sorry.
No.
The car suddenly.
Sinisip. 'Di ba? 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 '
side mirror.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay, come here.
You don't love me anymore.
You know why?
Namimigay mo ako sa PT.
What? I was joking.
Mm.
Dapat nga ako yung sinusuyo mo, grabe.
Ay, sinasakay ako
Oo.
doon.
Oo.
Pag pala ako paligo.
Hindi alam ko mga matatangkan, mga red flag din.
Buti nga maliit ka. Question lang, insecurity mo ba?
God, shit! God! Isa na telephone ito neutral.
Ayoko na. Alam, di mo kasi!
Sino yung humiga?
Okay, hindi na ako hihinga sa'yo forever. Kahit mamaya sa couch, kahit sa kama, hindi na ako hihinga sa'yo kasi ayaw mo.
Tanggap ko naman gana maliit ako. It's okay.
Hindi, question. Insecurity mo ba height mo?
Medyo.
I am sorry. Hindi ako
No, it's
dapat
okay.
nag-joke ako. Sorry. Sorry, guys.
Hindi ito naman. I have to be sorry for it.
Pero hindi ka naman maliit. Ano ba?
Maliit ako. Ano ba?
Hindi nga. Like, sakto lang yung, like, anong average height ng mga Filipino na tao? Like,
My height. Like, I'm literally average. What do you mean?
oh.
I'm average. What the fuck?
And
How do you
so?
think that makes me feel?
Oh, kailangan ba sa lahat ng bagay, nasa top ka?
No?
Oh, hindi naman eh.
No, what I'm referring to is like average, like as in height. I don't like being in an average height level. I know it's something I can control, but it's something I just don't like.
Ano yung magagawa dun?
Yeah, I know.
Pero you're not short. You're not nga, decision to sa buko. Hindi ka maliit. Ikaw lang nagsasabing maliit ka. Ay, pumatakat ka naman eh.
Sakto lang. Average.
Above average. Above average nga. Yung average siguro, mga kasing tangkaran ko lang. Ayun yung normal na Filipino height.
5'3"?
Yeah. Matangkat na yun, 5'3" ah.
For a girl? Or for a
Hindi,
guy?
average na siya for a guy. And
5'3"?
matangkad na siya for a boy. Ay, sa girl. Oo.
Sa girl, I think.
Kasing tangkaran ko lang sila. Sila Luis, sila Ian.
Hindi. Ian's my head.
Kasing tangkaran ko lang si Luis.
No?
Ano sa ka si Luis naman?
Yeah, Bebet.
No?
Yeah. Ano ba height mo?
5'3".
There's no way Lewis is 5'3", he's not 5'3". Holy shit.
Okay naman yung height mo eh.
Ano yung height?
Sa akin.
Tomorrow.
I don't want you to be.
Huh?
I don't want you to be.
Don't want to be...
And I don't want nga.
Why?
Hindi ko na naman sabihin. It's hard to control.
Please.
Hindi sa dapat sinabi mo na kumain na lang tayo kanina.
That's okay. I want to eat at home. Huh?
Okay.
Yeah. What? Very quiet. Promise to be transparent with me.
Galit ka sa akin eh.
I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm just bothered about my height. That's it. It's not you. Not you, God. I'm just
Pero
bothered
ako
about my height.
I'm the one na nagsayo sa ganang situation.
Huh? I don't blame you for it. It's fine. You can joke about my height, like, fuck this up. Okay. I told you it's okay. Hey, come back to me. Sige.
It's not okay.
Sinusuyo mo pa ako, di ba?
Wala, expired na.
What? Dali naman.
Register ka.
Go surf 50.
Hindi yun surf, mali, invalid.
Go lambing 200.
200, hindi kasi yung 200, ang mura ng 200.
Go lambing 1,000.
1,000 lang mo ka ba? 1,000 lang ako.
Eh, kala ko nga dapat libre nga eh, kasi sinusuyo mo ako.
Mali na naman ako. Okay.
I just don't like my height.
Hindi nga ba?
I know, but it's how I feel. Okay, I
Hindi
know.
pwede. Tanggalin mo yung nararamdaman mo.
Yeah, I can't because it's how I feel.
I can't.
Can't.
I can't. Emmanuel can't.
Emmanuel can't.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Sorry about it.
I'm sleepy.
Sandal ka. Sandal ka. Tulog ka muna. Guys, approve ba kayo sa mga methods sa pagsuyo ni Caitlyn?
Alam mo ko sinundan kanina nung pataas ako sa mesa. Alam mo ko sinundan kanina. Nung pataas ako sa mesa.
Kailan?
Bago tayo.
Elsie.
Ko.
Can't control it.
Ba, tara, quickie.
Just gonna okay. No, not gonna.
Dito talaga. Green light na. Guys.
Well, you know, it makes me feel better that the people you've dated before are shorter than me.
Ano?
It makes me feel better the people you've dated before are shorter than me.
Yeah. So, ano mo ba? Kasi ito.
I'm not tall. Average.
Above average, yeah.
I'm fine, above average. But not really.
Sorry, God.
I love you too. What do you want to do?
Oh. What was stealing?
Huh? kasi we're stationary lang. You're gonna...
Madami na naman. Mali na naman ako. Ano na talaga ang mahal. Okay lang to. Ako naman sino man para mahalin mo. Puno ka na sa akin. Ayaw mo na akong pansinin
What
sa
the-
sinasabi ko.
No, I was looking like if it's green na ba or not. Nga naman.
Tawin ako bilis naman. Itong green na to.
10 seconds.
No. Sabi mo you don't love me. Kapag sinabi kong yes, I don't love you. Kapag sinabi kong no, which means,
Wait, when did I ever say I don't love you?
sabi mo, you don't love me.
When did I ever say that?
Ano ba sabi mo?
I said, I need lambing. Yo! What the fuck?
Ay, bingi talaga ako.
I said, I need lambing. Oh, why are you?
Natawa naririnig ng tenga ko.
Ang layo ng yun. Ay, yun, lambing. Tapos,
Kailangan
I
ko
need
na magpatingin sa
lambing.
ENT.
ha?
Kailangan ko na magpatingin sa ENT.
Hindi ka lang pukoton ba?
Uy, everyday nga ako nagko-cotton buds after ko maligo. Walang pala yun. Bingi na ba ako ga?
Misinterpretation.
Bingi na ako.
Ay, yung lambing.
Pinid lambing? Teka lang. Pas mo na. Sorry. Sorry.
I just wanted to tell you, bothers me also when you make those kinds of jokes. Bothers me lang when you make those kinds of jokes.
Guys, just paano tayo mag-enjoy nun sa buhay?
Oh no, because when I try to make a joke like that,
Gana ta fubuting. Iba naman kasi ang fubo kaysa sa ganung joke.
what the context of your joke is what you're not interested na you'd like rather go look for a toy.
It's different.
Okay, how is it different?
Kasi yung fubuting, kasi it's different. Ibang level yung fubo kaysa sa mga ganung joke.
But you would rather go look for another guy?
It's just a joke.
Yeah, and mine was a joke also. Okay, fine. Just wala, just thing.
Ano sa akin? Hindi ako mababother at all. Legit.
Bother nga, I would say. Hanap na ako naman siguro ng matatangkad na babae sa PT.
Okay lang. Hindi ako mababother. As in.
Guys, hear that What day is it today? January 25. If ever I make a joke like that and if you get bothered, we'll go back to this video. Ano? What is that? Come here. Come here. Are you mad? Are you bothered? You're bothered about something I said. Yeah. Naman.
Iba naman kasi talaga yung joke about fugu at saka yung gano'n.
Okay.
Different level na yung fugu.
Sorry.
Nasa top na siya ng hirap. Totoo, yun yung
Okay,
parang...
yes. Okay, fine. That's the boundary I won't cross na. Okay. I won't make that joke na.
Okay. Bakit ako pumunta sa'yo? Di ko pumunta sa'yo.
I'm driving.
Nigilid mo. Joke lang. Joke lang. Ba't hindi mo tinigil?
Sabi mo joke lang.
Joke or half.
Ang hirap basahin. Gagi. Puta ka na. Oh, sige na. Balikan mo na ako.
Balikan.
Balikan mo na ako.
Ano balikan?
Balikan mo na ako. Wait, pero real. I don't know why I'm still bothered about it.
So,
The joke mo.
ay, hindi naman kasi ako maghahanap ng PT student.
I know.
Hindi naman ako lalakero.
I know. Hey. Self-esteem thing. Sorry.
Sorry.
Okay. Sorry, talaga lang. Bothersome. Sige na. Where's the distancing issue for me? Bakit?
Paano na ako mag-joke?
No.
Kung lahat na mabother ka.
Wala, I guess it's something I didn't expect you to say. Yes. Jokes are half meant though. Kidding lang. Kidding lang. Uy. Ano ba?
Sabi mo, sobrang nababother. Hindi mo na-expect na sasabihin ko yan.
Sorry guys.
open naman ako ah.
You're being quiet.
Eh, yan nga lang yung nasabi ko na naman sa'yo na paano na lang like if lahat na lang ng jokes ko pinapagpatirin.
Oh? What other jokes has bothered me?
Okay.
It's a naman lang.
I'm skipping showers and switching socks, sleeping good and long.
What other scenario have I reacted to say?
Wish a nigga would cross and catch a solo. On time.
Like feeling ko kapag nag-what-if ako, ibabalik
White
ko
leaf
sa
on my
akin.
glasses, turning vapors.
God, of course not.
Yung sasabihin mo, kagaya ng sa phone na sinabi mo.
No, God, your what if questions has never bothered me.
Now your baby mama ain't so vicious. All she
Never took
wants
them
is
to
a
heart.
defense and you protest and you pick a
Yeah.
side, but them courts won't side with you. Won't let you fly solo.
You're dismissing what I'm saying.
I wanted that act right in Colorado that night. I brought trees to blow through, but it's just me and no you. Stayed up till my phone died. Smoking big, roll.
Yeah, your what if jokes have never bothered me. I will never put them against you.
Then the city's on fire. Inhale, there's heaven.
Ayun, forever na lang ako hindi mag-joke sa'yo.
What do you mean?
Eh, kasi nababother ka kapag nagja-joke nga ako.
It's just that part. It's just that thing. About my height lang. It's just that.
Sure, wait.
Wait. What, did you call me fat before?
No, about the thing.
Oh, the thing. Wait, what? Oh. Okay, good. Remember now. Okay, wait ga. Pero seryoso naman talaga. You were fat shaming me naman talaga. Okay, that is a line that you crossed.
It's
Hello.
just a joke!
Okay, but you were fat shaming me naman talaga. Even if you were to tell sila right about,
Yeah,
I
like,
get that you were.
iba ba ako sa'yo?
Huh?
Iba ba ako sa'yo?
What do you mean?
Like, iba ba ako? Like, hindi mo naman ako something like friends lang. Na, ako, okay, fine. Sige. Hindi ako.
Just the pig thing. Just the pig. You're literally said nga, my brother's like, what? So what? You think I'm a pig then? I look like a pig? Oh, what? Is that your obligation?
Bakit? Mukha ka bang pig?
No, but...
Oh, no!
Then why would you do something like that?
It's just a joke nga.
I get that it's a joke, but there are lines that you don't...
She's okay na,
Yeah, she just needed to fall. She needed to fall like
No!
100 times.
I fixed it.
Did you do?
Nag-joke sa kanya.
What's your joke section? Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Because I didn't accept her. She thought I was cheating.
Here.
Nandito lang ako.
Hug me.
Bakit ako mag-hug sa'yo?
Why?
Bakit hindi ikaw?
I'm literally leaning forward already.
Hindi mag-lean ka pa.
Okay, here. Now would you hug me back?
Oh, bakit? Bakit? Hindi na ba kaya? Like, yan na ba yung pinaka-extend ng hug mo?
No, of course not. I'm just waiting for you to reciprocate to me.
I'll reciprocate once you're here.
Are you serious? Why are you letting me? Oh!
Why? Nagawa na naman ako. Kasi tinuunan mong ganyan, nakasiko ka dito ka. Ang sakit ng pagsiko mo dito, kaya gawin ako.
You asked me to go to you.
No, yeah! I know, pero nakasiko kang ganyan. Like, ano lang ba? Yeah, like, pwede naman yung dyan mo ilagay yung siko ko. O, sumali na naman ako.
I didn't say anything! What do you mean? It was an accident I did. Come on.
Ay, bakit ganun yung reaction mo?
Huh?
Nung bumalik ka sa place flat lang naman yun, tapos ganun ka.
Because I thought you pushed me.
No. Kasi ganun.
You literally you pushed me away.
Hindi, kasi nga, ang sakit nga nang nakaganan ka.
Yeah, okay, I'm sorry I did that to you. No, come here and hug me. Come on. Really won't hug me back.
Kailangan tatang mawin.
Dude, sometimes, I don't know if you're joking talaga or not. I don't know if you're joking talaga or not sometimes. Like, your face is all serious but then you're joking pala. Like, I don't know, like where
Nahihirapan ka naman sa akin.
where the line is.
Nahihirapan ka naman gamayin ako.
I'm just new to someone whose love language is bullying. Kidding.
Girl won't punch you.
No, I like it when you do that.
Oo, hindi pala ako.
Yeah.
I can promise pa that. Mas my love language hurt you.
Yeah.
Emotionally.
Stop.
Ganyan ko. Ayoko na. Ayoko na mag-guess talaga.
Why do you feel like you're walking on eggshells while when you're broken?
Sabi mo, gusto mo. Sabi mo, di ba?
There's food there! There's food right there!
Sabi mo, food ka, di ba? Okay, wala. Ayoko. Sasabihin sana.
Ano? Actually,
Sana para ka lechon lang. Big na naman pala yun. Ayoko na talaga.
no. It was genuine. It's genuine.
No!
I don't feel a pat. Stop.
Tapos mo! Ramdam mo ba kung gaano kasakit yung cactus? Ako naman. Oh, wish. Sana ako yung may cactus lang. Hindi lang niya pa ganun talaga.
Are you complimenting me or am I talking?
Ayaw ko rin ba rin? That. Nag-girlfriend ako sa. Girlfriend. Nakatalikod ba ako?
Eh, kala ko naman mag-RD na tayo nung ginising kita ng una. Tapos tangin na, hintay na ako sa couch. Kala ko naman susunod ka. Ngayon, natulog na lang ako ng 10 minutes.
Totoo ba?
Oo, be. Nagising ako
Oo,
sa
ika?
alarm mo. Nagising ako sa alarm mo, tapos ginising kita ulit. Ga, RD. Tapos pinako rin. Tapos I whispered to your RD. Tapos ito ko. Ginising ako. May sasabi ko. I did it. Bumangon ka na.
Natin kasama yung tawad mo.
Tawel.
Natin tawad mo.
May tawel ako? Ayun nga. Baka lang sabon eh.
That's my sabon, not our sabon.
What's your sabon?
Surf nga.
May fragrance ba kayo or like popcorn? Sabon lang.
Parang okay.
Si Kyren, may sarili siyang sabon.
Ay, sabon. Color dry sabon. Pero nagda-down na siya.
Popcorn?
Kasi mami na naman. Hindi na masakit yun.
O, ikaw nasakitan. Ikaw nasakitan?
Lagtawa na kita. Seryoso. Seryoso. Hindi mo, seryoso.
Hindi.
Seryoso ka. Remote. Tara na.
Seryoso ako. Seryoso ako. Bumalik ka dito. You're not?
I'm not.
That's
I'm
serious.
serious.
Serious ako. Serious ako. Serious ako.
Tara na.
I just don't want.
Ha? Ako? Ano ko sinabi ngayon ako? Ano sabi ngayon ako? Nag-relay ka talaga sa balik.
Scream.
Oo, yan sabi.
Screams.
Ano sabi?
Ito, wait. Ito propose na to. That. Easy na girl. Tara, Quickie. Gusto mo na Quickie?
Tumigil ka.
Oh, sabi dear Quickie.
Ano ba?
Ha? Ako na. Ako na. Ikaw. Ako na.
Medyo yung sandot yan.
Ha? Hindi ko nagsasama yun. Sige.
Yung Pepsi ko.
Ako yan.
Naka-serve ba? Or off lang? Hindi, natataas na. Eh, gusto ko yung ganito pero hindi mo siya.
Hey, be.
Bakit ganun yung sa amin?
Di ba dollars? Di mo na natataas?
Oo, pero kita mo ulit yung 15 dito para
But it will be more convenient. Like, you don't have to press this, just don't go make it higher.
Sabi ko sa'yo, you're not serious.
Really, actually? Oh. See?
Sabi mo, wag na mag-vape.
There's no way I'm gonna ask you this scenario with me coming home from. I don't want it to be drunk.
Wala, eh. Hindi ko kailangan nun.
Kailangan ko.
Hindi ko kailangan nun.
Kailangan ko.
Hindi ko kailangan nun.
I know, but I need. It's a standard set for myself, though. What, would it bother you that it would be a grand gesture?
No naman, pero mag-e-effort ka for that.
No. Red flag?
No.
Why not? Love inside me. Love you.
Thank you. Yun na yung plate ko binigay ko sa'yo.
Don't breathe. Don't.
Yung sinabi ako, never mind.
Ga.
Ay, di ba may question ka sa akin? Nasa notes mo.
No, tell me first.
Ah,
What are you gonna say?
Hindi ka naman na. Hindi ka bother yung sa akin.
Huh?
Hindi ka bother yung sa akin.
What?
Hindi ka bother yung sa akin.
What?
Hindi ka bother yung sa akin, yung sasabihin ko.
Okay. Have there been actions that I have done in our current relationship that has reminded you
My past.
about something bad from your past?
Wala.
About something bad? Okay. We're done. Pinky promise, wala?
Nag-isipin ko.
Take your time. Fuck.
Actually, wala.
Chill it.
Wait lang. Yung isip ko pa. Ano namang malalang nangyari sa atin? Like, away or misunderstanding?
You walking out. You walking out, that is definitely a first for me.
Nag-walk out ba ako sa kanila? Hindi, question lang. Ah, sa first sex ko, oo. Ala, parang gawain ko mag-walk out. Sorry. Never mind. Okay, wala.
Can open up something about.
Hmm?
Can open up something to you.
Hmm.
It really hurts me whenever you do that.
What? Nag-walk out ako. Hindi mo kami mapigilan. So, enough na yun, yung pagpigil na yun. Kasi kung enough yung pagpigil na yun, hindi ako alis.
Well, what do you want me to do? I
Wala
ask
akong
you to
payagan.
talk about it.
Oo, kaya ganun.
How many times have I told you nga I want you to
Ah, so,
stay? I don't want you to go. What do you want me to do? Lock my doors? Lock you in
Yeah?
my... No, because I respect your choice.
Hindi sa ganung bagay. Like, hindi.
Okay, fine. I told sila Aliyah this. Tanga ako sa pagbasa ng mga babae where wait, sorry, I'm erasing my voice. I cannot read what they want me to do. Like, they want to do this, and then I respect that they want to do this, but they don't actually want to do it.
Actually.
And in the first place, why can't you just tell me like you don't actually want to go?
Ang hirap. For me ha, ang hirap nun.
That you don't want to go?
Nasabihin ko sa'yo, like, hindi tayo okay, tapos sasabihin ko sa'yo na ayaw ko talagang umalis. Gusto ko
So you'd
mag-stay.
rather do something that really hurts me?
Bakit?
You'd-
Bakit sa tingin mo, hindi mo ako nasaktan the moment na hinayaan mo kong umalis?
In my... I respect
Hindi, kasi kung
what you
ikaw,
want to do.
like, change tayo ng position. Hindi kita aayahan umalis talaga. Like, ako masusunod, superior ako dito, hindi ako papayag na umalis ka.
Well, think of it na...
Pero kung,
Wait. Think of it. My friends
like, sa ibang bagay papayag.
kept calling me, asking me, hey, do we go there? Hey, do we
Like,
want
I'll
to go
talk
there?
to them.
Hey.
Sasabihin ko, like, i-chat ko na hindi, I can handle this. Like,
Mhm.
oh,
So kaya mo yan?
oo, kaya ko yun. Kaya kakanin ka nila Clarissa, nila Aliyah. No, i-chat ko sila. Sabi ko, no, kaya kong i-handle to. Like, give us time muna para makapag-usap. Kaya ko.
No. Like for example, no. What I mean is, I already asked. I told my friends are aware that I want to go home, and they are
Kahit
very,
na.
they are really worried about me na. They keep
I'll
calling
talk
me.
to
They
them.
keep
I'll talk to
messaging
them
me.
nga.
You'll talk to sila Aliyah?
Oh!
But it doesn't matter what you want. It matters what I want, because I am the one who feels uncomfortable.
Oh, you're the one who makes me, I'm the one who makes you uncomfortable. So, I am responsible. Like,
If you feel uncomfortable in the condo,
Ah!
why would I let you stay there? Of course, I asked you what is more comfortable, what will be more convenient for you, what will be more comfortable
actually,
for
mas
you.
convenient.
Okay, and then you lied about it.
Kasi nga, I want your attention. No, hindi mo kaya intindihan.
Well, that's my problem talaga, because if you really want me to respect what you want, then you really have to tell me the truth, because I am so bad.
Ang hirap nga nun.
Well, love, disclaimer lang if you tell me that's what you want, then I will fully respect that. I am not some kind of whore.
I don't, ayoko na.
Okay, let's say we're in the car, right? We are arguing and you want to get out, but I won't let you go out.
Basta kayo sa akin. Basta ko kaya lumabas sa sasakyan. It means na parang pinabayaan mo lang ako. And bakit mo ko hahayaan? Kahit sabihin ko na ayaw ko, hindi ibig sabihin nun na gusto ko talagang lumabas.
Oh my god. Ano, it's new to me. It's new to me talaga. Like, okay, understand. Understand that. Okay.
Tsaka bakit mo ko hahayaan na malis nga at the middle dun? Especially that GAN thing.
It just feels like I'm holding you against your will. It felt like
Oh,
that.
oh, pero hindi mo inisip like the dangers outside. Like,
You don't think I wasn't thinking of that, huh?
bakit mo ko hinayaan?
Well, you wanted to leave. You wanted to leave. Can you at least acknowledge my side? Can you acknowledge that?
Ayoko nga umalis, ga! Sinasabi ko lang yun, pero hindi ayun talaga yung gusto ko, okay?
Okay, well, now I know. So, next time it happens, I won't let you leave my condo.
What if gusto ko?
Well, you can't do anything. It's my condo. I won't let you leave. No matter what you want.
Oh, you're just saying that kasi,
Subukan mo.
sige, win ako ngayon.
Hindi kita mapalis eh.
Sige, win ako ngayon.
Hindi naman ngayon. May huwag naman ngayon. Pasok ka. I offered to bring you home. Why didn't you want that?
Sino sabi mo yun?
You blatantly said no.
Just because I said no?
Holy shit! Holy fuck! Damn. Okay. I need to work on my reading lessons then.
So kapag nakipag-break ako sa'yo, wala na kasi ayoko na.
No? Of course not.
Oh, di ba?
God. It is different.
It's the same thing! Like, papayagan mo na agad ako? Like, kasi, like, respect my decision. Like, ayoko na. Oh. It's my decision. Like, I'm uncomfy na sa'yo. So, papayagan mo ko? Agad-agad? Like, hayaan mo na ako? Oh, ano?
I'm just thinking, why? I'll pay attention. I'm sure you said it.
Hindi ko naman tinatanggi.
I know. Sorry, it's new to me though. You know, I told sila I saw about the Fubu joke. They all hit me. They all hit me. Wala lang. Yes. It helped me realize that kind of how bad of a joke it was. Like we were in Starbucks. They're all pulling my hair.
Hindi na tama.
Huh? And then, I don't know. I guess something had to be joked on. Sorry. You had a question kanina. What was it?
It's not a question.
Okay.
Wala na tayo sa moment.
That's okay.
Then sinabi ko sa sarili ko. If ever... Nahiya ako. I have this one thing na gusto kong pagawa mo before maging tayo. Pero hindi ko sasabihin yung one thing na yun. Like, yun yung standard ko na. At sobrang liit lang ng bagay na yun. Parang, ayun lang yung sign ko. Na, okay, pwede na. Sobrang liit lang ng bagay. Actually, sobrang dali niyang gawin eh. Kahit ngayon, kaya mo siyang gawin. Pero hindi ko sasabihin sa'yo kung ano yun, syempre. Ayun lang yung standard ko. Like, pag nagawa mo yun, like, it's a sign. Like, okay. Like, pasado na siya.
So I can do way better stuff than that.
What do you mean?
No.
say hypothetically. I do something way, like I'll do stuff way better than that.
And yung bagay kasi na yun, like,
That needs to be checked.